Did a software update break the NVI2 module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get NVIDIA GeForce Experience running again. Before the technical guide for NVI2 module, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the NVI2 module, a core module of the NVIDIA Installer. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of graphics driver updates and component installation manifests, facilitating the data link between the hardware setup utility and the system kernel. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Because NVI2 module DLL is required by NVIDIA GeForce Experience to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of NVIDIA GeForce Experience ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the NVI2 module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. To resolve deep-seated driver errors, you should perform a clean install by first wiping your system with Display Driver Uninstaller and then running the latest GPU setup. This process resets the communication between your hardware and the OS while deploying a fresh copy of your DLL file to your local directory. Why are we doing this? Well, a basic driver reinstall rarely clears the persistent file conflicts that cause these errors, so a total wipe is necessary to re-establish system stability. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. The versions of NVI2 module DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to NVI2 module management. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved NVI2 module error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.